Can robots do everything we can, but 100 times better? Let's find out. Robots are changing the world we know. As computers become faster, the prospects of robot integration into our everyday lives increases. Soon it will be perfectly normal to have an AI robot integrated into your kitchen. You no longer need to cook because the robot will do it for you. You can use AI technology to get your robot to cook your favorite meal, and you won't even break a sweat. And the robot will push a button that sends a text message to your phone. Your meal is ready. But if you prefer grabbing a bite on the go, the Misu robot will probably be cooking your burger and salting your fries at your favorite fast food restaurant. It allows workers and robots to work in tandem to create your best meal. And customers love the interaction. You can even use a robot to challenge you to the ultimate in human and robotic spectator sports. Ping pong. Robots can play ping pong with champions. And guess who comes out ahead? The robot has a 6-foot reach. It can react faster than the average human being. And in a ping pong contest with national champion Timo Boll, the robot came out ahead.
Please hang up and try again.
So if you're thinking of a robot as only a chess competitor or something that vacuums your carpet, then you're selling robots short. They are so much more than that, and they're still developing. They can do things faster, smarter, and better. And they never get tired. They never need food or water for sustenance, and you don't have to pay them. A robot will go for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it will never complain. So how can robots help you? Just take a look. Robots are changing the future, and as they change, they will take us right along with them. If you've enjoyed the podcast, if you've learned something, please like, subscribe, and share. And as always, we'll see you next time on Shine 365.